Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can set up your PowerPoint presentation for your mood board, as well as how to search, copy and paste images from the internet to add to your mood board. So first you need to open up Microsoft PowerPoint, and to set it up you need to go on to Design and then Slide Size, Custom Slide Size. Over here where it says widescreen, you need to click on this and choose either A4 or A3 paper. Make sure it's on landscape, just because it always works better in that orientation, and press OK. Now we can move our subtitle box by clicking on it and just making it a bit smaller. Move this off the side for now. With our title page, for our title for our mood board, you can think of either anything in relation to what you're doing, or you can use the title mood board. You can edit the font or the size by going to Home and then choosing the font and size over here. To be quick, I'm just going to use our Haroni. It's nice and bold and clear. I'm also going to adjust it just a little bit down to 40 and make that smaller or bigger later. Okay, so now we've got our title, and that can go right in the middle. So now we've got our title and our page set up, we now need to open up our internet browser. This could be Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox if that's still around, and then we want to make sure that we go to Google. You can use Bing if you want to, but Google seems to be better. For this demonstration, I'm going to do a mood board for cupcakes. Okay, so the first thing I'll probably start with would be cupcakes. Type in what you want into the Google search bar, click enter, and then choose images. So as you can see, I've got a lovely range of cupcakes. So first I'm going to choose the one I like. Let's go for this one with the sprinkles. And then I'm going to hover over the big picture. I'm going to right click my mouse until I see this window. And then I'm going to move my mouse over to copy image and click with the left. Then go back to your PowerPoint presentation, click anywhere on the white piece of paper, right click and choose paste. There we've got our cupcake picture. Now, as you can see, this picture is a bit big for what we need it to be. So I'm going to move my mouse over to the corner and resize this picture. You only ever resize with the corner, because this way it keeps it to scale. If you don't, it stretches it or squishes it, and overly it doesn't look nice. So only use the corner to resize your picture. Right, so I'm going to make that a bit small like this, and I'm just going to place it over here. I'm just going to show you that again with a different image. So go to your Windows browser, go into your search engine, pick images, and have a look at what you'd like to copy. So now I think I'm going to choose these mermaid ones. So I'm going to left click, hover over the big picture, right click, move down to copy image, left click, and I'm going to go to PowerPoint, left click on the white, right click on the white, and paste my picture. There's one other trick that you can do to alter your image. First, you go up to the top bar and click Format, move over to Crop, left click on that, and then you can crop or remove part of your image using your mouse and these black things on the side. So I'm going to do mine like so, and so, and even trim a bit off the top. When you're happy with what you're going to remove, then click on the white on the left hand side of your mouse, like so. You can then rearrange your image, you can resize if you want to, and we're going to place it on. You can keep repeating these steps until you've completely covered your mood board in relevant pictures to what you're doing. Once you've done that, you can add any of your keywords from the subtitle box. So we click on our box, we click on the text, and we type in our keyword. So for this sake, I'm going to say cupcake. Again, you can edit the font or the size by clicking on the side of the box, going over to Home, and then choosing a font from the drop-down list, and the size from the drop-down list here. If you want another one of these boxes, right-click, copy, right-click, paste. And then all you've got to do is ignore that. With your left hand side of the mouse, highlight the word, right click, copy, right click, paste, and there you've got another text box which you can change. So to match it, click on fonts, choose the same font, and choose the same font size. To edit the text, highlight it, and retype.